Welcome back to another video from Zendri's Home Style Cooking. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I make my refreshing, delicious, tasty carrot and beetroot drink. Guys, trust me, it's very simple, it's not difficult, yet refreshing. Okay, so these are all the ingredients that we're going to need. So I have here, this is 2 pounds of carrot. I've already peeled them, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut them up. Alright, so I have 4 beetroot. You don't really need a lot of beetroot, or else the beetroot will tend to overpower the carrot, so you're only tasting beetroot. Alright, so I have some ginger that I've already peeled, and there's one little trick that I learned that I wish to share with you guys, because you know you have to share all those good stuff. So when you're peeling your ginger and you're not using the vegetable peeler, you don't want to use the knife because the knife will tend to peel off too much. You just use a spoon, scrape it off, and you're good to go. Okay, trust me, it works like magic. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and cut these up, and then we can go ahead and start blending. Okay, so I'm not going to cut them too small, and I'm not going to cut them too big, just in between. So 1 carrot, maybe I'll cut it in 4, depends on the size. Alright, and when you're peeling the beetroot, guys, make sure to wear a gloves, because trust me, that thing stains. Right, just going to cut these up. So I'm checking to see if there's any more carrots. So there's 1 more. Just going to cut this in 2. So I'm just going to cut the beetroots in maybe 4. You can do it across or a long way, whichever way that you're comfortable doing it. Remember, everything is going to be blended. Alright, so the size doesn't have to be perfect. So maybe I'll cut this one in. Again. Alright, so for the ginger, just gonna cut it like this, just in 2 and 3. Right, so that's good. Alright, so I'm gonna wash these and then we can start blending. Okay, so now everything is nice and clean, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and start blending. Okay, so I'm going to start by adding some, and my hands are clean. Don't want to fill it up too much. This. Add some water to that. Now I'm going to put my blender on high and blend. Okay, so guys, as you can see, it's nicely blended. So I'm going to strain this first set out and then finish blending up the remaining of my carrot and beetroot. And it's very thick. You want to ensure that you have a really fine strainer when you're doing this, okay, because you don't want any particle to go into the juice. You can drink it like that, you know, but if you choose not to, then you're going to need a really fine strainer. Right, just going to press this to allow all the juice to come out. And I'm going to strain it a second time. My strainer is a little bit too small. A bigger one would have been much better, but this is the one that I have, at least with the sieve that small, but you could use a bigger one. Alright, so as you can see, The juice is coming out. And as I said, I'm going to give it a second strain because I know that some of the particle is inside of it. Alright, so as you can see, all the juice is out. Alright, so I'm just going to finish straining this, then blend up the remaining, and then I'll come back and show you when I'm mixing. Okay, so guys, that's how it is looking, and I did strain it a second time as mentioned earlier, so it's nice. Now there is no particle anything in there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and mix it. Alright, so I'll be using 1 cup of light brown sugar. If you choose to add more sugar, that's okay, but I don't really need a lot of sweetener in mine, so that should be okay. Alright, I'm just going to mix this around. And remember, I tell you this is very easy, just 4 ingredients: ginger, carrot, beetroot, and sugar. Then put to chill, pour over some ice, and enjoy. Alright, so I'm going to taste it to see, you know, if I need to add any sugar, although I'm not going to add any more because I know that it's okay. Okay guys, so it's perfect. I don't need to add any more sugar. Right amount of ginger, right amount of carrot, right amount of sugar, just the perfect amount of beetroot in it. Trust me guys, this tastes so good and it's so refreshing. And although you already know that all the important benefit that carrot and both beetroot have, and you know that ginger is very good as well. Alright, so you don't have to take it with any form of sweetener, because what I did, I cut a small amount for myself, and this now that I'm mixing is for my family. Okay, so I'm not taking mine with any sugar, so you can go ahead and do so. You don't have to add the sugar to it. Right, so I'm just going to pour this up and then I'll show it to you guys. Okay, there you have it guys, my delicious beetroot and carrot drink with ginger. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour some over some ice so you guys can see. Just look at the richness. Oh my gosh, and it tastes so, it's refreshing, it is so delicious. It's a very simple drink, but trust me guys, it's really refreshing. I want you to go ahead and try it and let me know how do you find this recipe. Okay, remember I said you don't have to use the sugar, you can use some honey if you choose. If you don't want any form of sweetener to it, skip that part and just go ahead and enjoy it without it. Okay, so once again guys, I hope you did enjoy today's video, and if you did, please remember to give me a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, leave suggestion, and let me know what you like to see me prepare next on my channel. Okay, alright, so if you haven't yet subscribed, remember to subscribe to the channel and be a part of the family. Invite everyone you know, invite them to come on over and check out some of the amazing content that I have on my channel. Okay, so once again, I want you to enjoy this drink. So until I come your way again with something delicious from my kitchen to yours, take care guys and enjoy. Bye guys, see you in the next one.